Morning, everybody. It's Monday. That means we're starting another vlog this week. I'm on my way to the gym right now. Gonna hit some legs. Like I said in the last vlog, we're signing up for Vasa Big Box Gym. So I'm trying to go opposite of what everybody else does, so I actually can get a squat rack and stuff like that. So we'll see how that goes. But hit the stair climber for a little bit, light cardio. Smash some legs, and then we got some errands to run today. Sounds like I might have my truck sold if I can work out some quirks with my bank and stuff like that. So, be a busy day. Just sold the truck. There it goes. It's all in the name of getting out of debt. Keep telling yourself it'll all be worth it in the end. It's just a truck. Who needs a truck to go hunting in anyways? All done and grouted. Hey everybody. Sorry, that's a terrible view. That's a terrible view too. Just got done working out. There we go. At Vasa, did back. Felt good. Actually felt really good. It feels good to be back in the gym consistently after it and trying to achieve my goals. To be honest with you, I still feel a little weird pulling out my phone and doing any vlogging or anything, but I'll get around to it and get back to showing you guys some exercises and kind of some workouts that I like to do. So don't go away. They'll come back. I'm treading lightly. It just feels weird, but oh well. We'll get around to it again. It was a beautiful day today. Did a bunch of tile. Gonna go home. I think we're having chicken thighs and cauliflower fried rice. It's delicious. It's one of my favorites. Tiny bit high in carbs, but as of right now, I'm net carb -2, so that's good. I won't complain about ending the day at about 4 or 5 carbs. That's probably going to put me at 2,900 or 3,000 calories for the day. So I count that as a win. I'm trying to go 80% and 20%, 80% fat and 20% protein, and just keeping the carbs as absolutely low as I could possibly get them. So that's what I'm kind of trying to do. I honestly haven't tested to see if I'm in ketosis or not. So I'm gonna order some blood strips and do the blood test, because urine's not very accurate, and I'd rather, if I'm gonna do blood or breathalyzer, I'd rather just do the blood. So I'll let you guys know what happens there. Got a goodie package from Mountain Ops. Sweet t-shirt and a sticker. Thanks guys. Just got all cleaned up right here at the Barbershop Dread in Saratoga. Feeling good. Just had Connor McConaughey get me all cleaned up. So I set a backsplash today, this morning, and while I'm letting it dry, I went to the barber for the first time in 2.5 years. And then I'm gonna go to the gym and let that dry so I can grout it today and be done with this backsplash. Feel pretty cool though. Mama's wanting me to grow out the top, so we'll see how that looks eventually. Just got done lifting the Vasa. I can really get used to this weather, so I'm gonna try to finish this shower up or this backsplash, my bad, and get home. Morning everybody. Just got off shift at the firehouse, heading home. Mama's getting her hair done today, so Lakeland and I get to hang out this morning. We're gonna run a few errands. I'm hoping to make it up on the mountain with her and go for a hike, a little daddy-daughter date hike after we get our errands done. And it's super nice outside. This sunny weather lately has made me a lot happier. It seems like when it's all dark and dreary and crappy weather, I get all depressed and stuff. But excited to have some sun. Actually really excited to hang out with Lakeland, take you along with us. Probably not much on this vlog this week, but we'll see you guys something to watch. I got a quick chest exercise I threw up on there, and see you guys later.
Some eggies? Oh, slow down. Slow down, girlfriend. Did you learn how to eat from your dad? Nom, nom, yum, yum, yum. Hey. You're double fisting eggs.
Stopped by cousin Johnny's place called Strickland Auto. Gonna get probably a new little SUV. If you guys need a new rig, come check them out. What's your address?
4035 South Commerce.
Okay, come check them out. They got some sick rides. It's got a new 16 that they're getting rid of. Just got it in. It's that sick tan. Comment below if you're interested. Such a sweet ride. They got some other awesome rigs. Strickland Auto there. There's the number. Call them up. She's in the Sportsman's Warehouse parking lot eating some avocado. She still won't take a bottle, but at least she'll eat this. We just came and I picked up a Spot Bandit. It's blocks the sun when you're looking through the spotting scope. I actually got one at one of the Sportsman shows, but in the midst of me and her making it back to the truck, it got dropped or lost somehow. So I came and got another one so I can do a review on it. It's a pretty awesome product and they're like dirt cheap. They're super cool. I have them on my binos. They're called Bino Bandit. You look through your glass so much longer. So I'll do a little review on it and show you guys what's up. Say hi. Is that nummy? We love avocados, huh? Yeah, we do. We love avocados. Yeah. Mom got done with her hair appointment a lot sooner than we originally thought. That's a terrible view. I'm sorry. So Mom got done with her hair appointment a lot sooner than she thought. And little Lakeland and I just left Sportsman's Warehouse. She had some avocado and the bottle thing didn't go so well again. So I think we're gonna go on a hike as a family. She's got a full belly now and she's all happy. So we're gonna probably go on a hike as a family and probably won't be as far than it would have been before, but that's okay. So I was just messaging back and forth with a buddy of mine. He's running his own business now, and you know, there's people hating on him, and just I don't understand the purpose of hating on people. Life is so much more enjoyable. It's so much simpler. It's so much more happy if you're lifting people up, if you're encouraging them, if you're supporting them. It's just so much more enjoyable. If you're hating on people, it can't be fun. So I encourage you, if you are hating on people or whatever, just stop. Maybe encourage them in a positive manner. And this, honestly, I think this whole world would be a better place if people started hating a lot less and supporting and encouraging a lot more. That's just my 2 cents. I know you didn't ask for it, but that's it. So that's what I try to do every day, is just make a positive difference in somebody's life. That's why I'm a firefighter. I mean, there's no greater gift or duty on this earth than to serve others and make people's day better on their worst day of their life. That's what I'm all about, is just trying to help people, and you know, that's all I have to say about that.
Bungy, bungy. Hi. Yeah, yeah.
Twerk.
Yeah, yeah, get it.
Jump.
Hey!
Climb all over Daddy.
You're totally taking a nap out here.
I know. Me too. Say hi, Daddy. You know. Boingy. Oh.
Megan!
Oh, Rufo.
Happy Easter, everybody. I'm gonna head up and just do a quick little hike, more of just some cardio, if anything, and try to make it up on the hill once a week. Working a ton. April's gonna be a busy month. I'm taking a class for the fire department so I can drive the trucks and our tower. Just gonna head to a new area again. Maybe just see if I can take some pictures and hike around for a little bit. Just motoring along. Such a nice day. I was just thinking, it's kind of fun when you got a pack. It's so comfortable. You can't wait to throw it on again. Not really up here to look for sheds, but might as well while I'm here. So I'm gonna just take the trail less traveled and we'll see. You never know. You can only imagine everything's been completely picked through. So, ton of deer tracks. I'll tell you guys something real quick. I would not be where I'm at right now, or attempt to, if it wasn't for Onyx Hunt Maps. Some bones. This app is so sweet. Allows you to venture to places where you wouldn't have thought that you could go, let alone be 100% okay and not get in trouble. Pretty awesome app. Well, seen a bunch of deer. No sheds. Surprise, surprise. I feel like people leave behind little forky or 2-point sheds as a sympathy thing for me, so I can feel better about myself. Oh well, this is absolutely beautiful up here. Just up here chilling on the hillside for a second. Didn't find any sheds yet. Probably won't. Just relaxing for a minute. Then I'm gonna head back down. Thanks for watching this week's vlog, guys. No more vlogging today. It's Easter. Gonna spend time with my family. Have a great week. I'll see you in a few days. Take care. On my way out, shifted my mind from sheds and just hiking to I'm on a mission now. On my way out to see how many freaking cans and crap I can pick up. I don't know what a can weighs empty, but I guarantee it's a lot less than when you packed it in. Pick up your crap, people. Freaking ridiculous. It makes me so mad. I try to do my part to help keep things clean. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to get all of them, but I can do my best to get some of them. Always leave a place better than when you found it.